In 1869, C.F. Titken establishes the Great Northern Telegraph Company, or just GN for Great Northern. He dreams of turning Denmark into a prominent player in the telegraph industry by being the first to connect the West and East. In 1871, GN opens the first telegraph station in Shanghai, hereby bringing the telegraph to China. GN's scientists have helped people communicate ever since. In the 1950s, the engineers at GN Dynavox invent the first European hearing spectacles. By the 70s, GN Stolno is one of the world's leading producers of mobile communication equipment. And when GN puts out its new 2.4 GHz hearing aid in 2010, it is something the world has never seen or heard before. 150 years of technical innovations has led to the most advanced and user-friendly audio devices of the 21st century. All of them contributing to making life sound better.